Sorry for the fence fans. It's just that I'm waiting in line for the big wheel, so I'm trying to get the Santa Fe. So
Keep coming.
train.
Keep coming. Keep coming. I'll help you.
This it's like so many people in my way for this thing.
Okay, you're good. Okay, you're good.
So sorry fans. It's sorry if it's the fence is in the way. I can't. It's an annoying fence. Sorry if I can barely see anything. The sun is like right on my eye. Like the sun, of course, is beaming up where I'm recording. So.
Yeah, the slide I think is per person. Well, we need to decide before we go back that way if we need more tickets. Because then we have to. I think it's close enough here, so. Well, we're gonna decide what we're gonna do next.